morning, everyone. I ate breakfast. My morning skincare routine. So let me talk about. So um, so yesterday I worked, and it was a rainy day. It's probably bad that I had to work in the rain because I have a cough. I had a cough for about a week. And I got it, I think, from one of my nephews that had a cough. They still kind of have a cough. So this is cough day 9 now that I have. But I don't work today. Now I'm just going to put on my eye cream. But I don't work today. I watch my nephew in the afternoon. But that's about it. So that's why you're getting a full-length home vlog today. And now I'm just going to put the moisturizer on for my finishing touch. I don't go too crazy during the week because it's the week and I don't really need too much makeup on or anything, so I just do that for my skincare during the week. The weekend I may add some like mascara and eye stuff, but during the week I don't go too crazy. Okay, so that is my morning skincare routine. I will do my night skincare routine for you guys to show you that. But yeah, that is my morning one that I do in the morning during the week. So now I'm gonna get dressed. So see you after I get dressed. Okay, so update, if you're wondering what that is over there, that's for the zip line. Because we are building a zip line in our backyard. So that's for the zip line. I'm having a chicken sandwich for lunch. Okay, so this ends the vlog. I didn't really do anything else besides watch my nephew and watch TV and eat dinner for the rest of the day. But that was it. So thanks for watching. See you in another vlog. Bye.